ToolEmu's advanced quoting functionality includes a simple, accurate, and transparent freight quote generator that lets you view and save freight quotes based on your contract carrier rates. To generate a freight quote, we'll head to the main menu up here on the left and then expand the Sales module. Then we'll hit Freight Quotes. You can also search for freight prices from within a general quote creation, so I'll take you through that at the end of the video. From the Freight Quotes module, simply hit this New Quote button up here on the right hand side. You'll then see this screen which prompts you for some details about the item or items being sent. It's pretty straightforward. Just enter the pickup and delivery suburb and the date you'll be sending the item. Then fill in these information fields about the item specifics. Select the type of freight that will be sent, the approximate dimensions, the weight, and the quantity. If you're sending more than one item, just hit this Add Item button and another field will be added. And if you want to remove an item, just hit this small X over here. Once you've added all the items you need, hit this Get Prices button, and you'll see we're provided with this list of freight prices by a range of different carriers. To view more details about any of the quotes, simply click on the desired item and the quote will expand with a more detailed breakdown. Here you'll see information like the estimated shipping times and a more in-depth price breakdown. If you'd like to save the quote for future use in consignment, hit this Save Quote button down the bottom here. You will then default to the freight quote record, but if we head back, we can see the quote has been saved in the freight quotes list. I mentioned earlier that you can also generate freight prices during general quoting, making it easy to let customers know accurate prices from the get-go, and removing the need for double data entry. Let's just head to the quoting module and create a new quote. I'll leave this all blank for the sake of the video, but if we head down here to the quote details, we can see this small arrow next to the Add Item button. Click that and select Freight. Then, like before, fill out the same general information about the item that's being sent. Click Get Prices and then select the appropriate quote from the list. This time, when you hit Save Quote, not only will the quote be available in your freight quotes list, it will also be added to the general quote you're preparing to send to the customer. As you can see, freight has been added to the quote as an item at the cost we saw on the price list. And if we save the quote and open it as a customer, we'll see freight as an item for the customers to view and accept.